everyone. Thanks for coming back to our kitchen. We are super pumped to show you the first part of our fall and winter meal prep series. In this episode, we're going to use some awesome seasonal veggies to make a simple and healthy meal that you can bring to work for lunch or have ready in the fridge to warm up anytime. This recipe is super easy to make. All you need to do is roast some of the seasonal root veggies and sprinkle them with our own homemade spice blend and some spicy Italian sausage for the protein. This is a fast and easy meal prep recipe that anyone can make with short on time. So, let's get to it. Let's chop some veggies. Phew! Now add 1 tablespoon of rosemary to the chopped vegetables. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil. Mix well with your hands. Bake the veggies in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Meanwhile, we can get started with the sausage. Remove the casing from 500 grams of spicy Italian sausage. You may use any of your favorite sausage if you don't like it hot. Break the sausage into small pieces to make it simpler to cook and eat. Brown the sausage in a pan or pot over medium-high heat. Once the sausage is cooked, remove it to a plate. Now we will make a spice blend to season the veggies. Combine 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika in a small bowl, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and set aside. Remove the veggies from the oven and immediately sprinkle with the spice blend. Give it a quick mix. Add the cooked sausage. Add 2 cups of baby spinach. Mix thoroughly. The veggies should be hot enough to wilt the spinach. That's it, you're done. It's so quick and easy, right? You now have a cooked meal for your workday lunch or dinner that is prepared for you to eat. We hope you give this meal prep a try and let us know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and helpful cooking tips. Happy cooking!